Frank from TradeFab. I would like to give you a short overview of the TradeFab's Bollinger-Market-Maker strategy. I'm running it here in the for Euro USD 60-minute chart. It also works well for any Bitcoin future. So, but clearly you want to change the settings, right? So I'm showing it here for Forex. Selecting the strategy, going to TradeFab, picking Bollinger-Market-Maker, and then I leave most of the setting at default. I just want to focus on some of them, right? So the rebuy, this is where it buys or enters the second position, is at 0.25%. If you're trading Bitcoin or futures, this percentage might be different, right? So Bitcoin, I would start maybe at, I don't know, 1%, 2%, 5%, wherever you want to rebuy. And the stop loss is set at 1% here, right? It also depends on the minute chart you're using. So a 5-minute might need different settings than a 60-minute chart. That's clear here. Rest is basically the same, showing the stop loss. I'm not using trading times, using the simulated account, clicking enabled here. I'm explaining a little what we are seeing here in the chart, right? So maybe just zoom in a little. Okay. So this is the typical behavior, right? So let's start with this buy down here, right? So it buys 2,000 shares, selling the 2,000 shares up here. So basically it buys if it hits the lower Bollinger Band. It sells at the upper Bollinger Band and also opens a reverse position at the same time. So it enters a short position at this point and then keeps this short position until here where it hits the lower Bollinger Band again, sells the 2,000 shares. Oh, sorry, I forgot this one. So it basically opened the second position up here, a second short. It's basically this 0.25% we have configured. So it sells again, or it goes short again with 2,000 shares, and if it hits the lower Bollinger Band, it sells all the 4,000 shares at once. At the same time, opens another long position with 2,000 shares, price goes up, sells again the 2,000, opens another short, goes down again, sells the 2,000, buys another 2,000, and so on, right? You see most of these positions were closed successfully. Here's one which closed a little in a loss, and so on, right? So the strategy works well if the price goes sideways, right? It might hit the stop loss very often and might not be successful if you have a strong trend in the market, right? So that's the way how this market maker strategy works. If you look at the overall performance, just showing it here randomly, it's not optimized or something. So this is the performance chart saying the gross profit was 49, the net profit 15. So actually we made some money here, profit factor 1.46, right? Not optimized. I had it running for, I think, 90 days. That's what I have set it up. In the lower left corner, you see some statistics. Basically, it's showing you the number of positions you're in. It also stores the settings in a file persistently, so you don't have to set it again and again. It shows the current spread, tick size, position count, quantity, average entry price, and so on, right? And the current orders which are pending, right? I hope it helps to see this here. If you have any questions, just send me an email. Thanks for watching.